Welcome back to our after video of this beautiful condo we have finished up here in Mesa, Arizona. And you can see from our previous video there was tile here. We did remove it all, installed the beautiful vinyl flooring. Customer purchased it directly from the store, and we did install vinyl on the steps. Remember, that was white and black, and that had carpet on them. So here we are, finished up yesterday, and today is Thursday, June 11th, 2020. Believe it or not, we finished fast. Over 1,000 square feet installed within a matter of 2 days with carpet and padding tear out and tile demolition. They do have a nice balcony, and you can see nice backyard, private. Oh, let's focus on the floors. That's why we're here, to make a video on after the flooring installation project that we've done. And we are located in Phoenix, Arizona. You can find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com for all your vinyl flooring installation, laminate, engineered, and hardwood. And we do like to specialize in sanding, staining, refinishing of solid wood floors, which is one of our specialties. Solid wood floors, not engineered. So here's the guest bedroom, which currently had carpet before. And this is the closet, and you can see we did remove the track. We put it back on top of the floor. Let's go ahead and see how everything else turned out. In the bathroom, there was tile there. Our technicians removed it very carefully, and you remember from the old video, that's a broken toilet tank that was on the old toilet, which we pulled out, and the homeowner will be replacing. Whew, that smell, really. Yeah, typically you want to put a rag in that sewer line removing the toilets. Just we're in and out real quick, so we didn't have to smell too much of it. And this is the master bedroom. We do have another nice view. Yeah, it is a nice view. Doesn't even look like Phoenix with all those big trees, pine trees, huh? Oh, let's focus on the floors, never mind. Okay, so the vinyl floor we installed in here. Pretty much the laundry room and the master bedroom, bathroom, which is that, we did not install. But we did install in here, and you can see it's just perfect. Nice, smooth, piece to piece. Remove the baseboards, put them all back on. We did recommend the homeowner purchase new ones, and they did insist that we leave the old ones, and we did. And those are the old ones. A little trashy, yep. A little old, very. So she says she will be painting them, which is okay with us. The only issue with these old baseboards is once you pull them out and put them back, you'll have a lot of nail holes. And also, since it had carpet and padding up to here, over the years, they never went to the bottom. So you'll have multiple layers of paint up to here and no paint on the bottom. So these will have to probably be sanded a little bit by the handyman she has.